I lost my job, so I need to get out of it.
I never seen anybody get a collection from Six Flags. I don't know how you do it.
My car payment is $1,400 a month.
We've got it all today. One guy's stuck in a car payment he can't afford. Another wants to buy a vehicle even though she doesn't have a license. Some people think bankruptcy is just a shortcut to free up cash to buy a new car. And if you're tired of your car payment, well, the solution is simple. Just stop paying for it and let it get repossessed.
Ooh, bad Carfax. Ooh, it's a moderate. All right, this is going to be not a clean car, but we're going to call anyway. It's a 2018 Audi S5. Why are you selling it?
I thought I was going to be able to afford it, but they pressured me into it. They got me at a really high interest rate, so I kind of caved. I've had the car for 3 weeks. I lost my job, and I can't sell it back to them because they're giving me lower than what my loan amount is for, which is 30. So I'll be upside down. I can't afford the car.
I've dealt with a few pushy salesmen. It gets annoying pretty fast. The questioning, the hovering, the emails, the texts, the nonstop phone calls trying to drag you back to the dealership. But even with all that, I don't think anyone can pressure me into spending tens of thousands of dollars. At some point, you got to take responsibility for your own decisions. And in this case, it really just sounds like he's passing the blame. If you mess up like this, just admit it.
So it sounds like you're going to have to pay me like $9,000 to get out of it.
I saw your TikTok on like helping people out, and so I thought I'd give it a shot.
Yeah, I mean, you don't really need help. You bought a German car, so you must be doing pretty good for yourself.
Well, I only put $1,500 down at the time. I thought I was going to be able to afford it, but I realized I wasn't like a week ago, and then I lost my job, so I need to get out of it.
I would give you $22,500 pending pictures. So if you want to resubmit the appraisal, we can look at it later, okay?
Okay.
How nice is the car?
It's had 2 minor accidents, but they were from previous owners, so I don't know what they were for, but they did fix them, and the car looks like in really good condition.
When your entire budget depends on every paycheck arriving on time, one missed week is all it takes for everything to fall apart. And of course, that's why it's so important to save as much as you can. Have a few months or more at minimum in case of a job loss. A good plan includes the what ifs. What if I get laid off? What if my hours are cut? What if something unexpected happens? Unfortunately, we don't see a lot of people doing it these days.
I never seen anybody get a collection from Six Flags. I don't know how you do it. Let's see. That was a repo she had in October. She has never paid a bill in her life, okay? Before that, she was unemployed.
How's the cosigner?
The cosigner's work, cuts hair, gets paid under the table. We can't prove his income. Banks don't want to touch him. We've been to every bank out there. They've been shopping for a while.
So there's no way we can get him done.
There's no way.
Ask her if she's got a different cosigner.
Or yeah, nobody else that would co-sign.
What
Money
was
is
she coming in on?
Anything we could get her financed on. Even that '07 Colorado that we traded, we couldn't even make it work on that.
No hope at this point.
It's sad. People got to pay their bills.
I understand people have hard times. You might miss a payment. Most of us have probably made some bad decisions when it comes to money. But what I don't understand is how you can let it get this bad. Missed payments, repos, not paying. So bad that not even a single bank will even consider you. I guess some people just aren't great with money or credit. If you can't even handle the basics, taking on more debt is setting yourself up for even more of a mess.
This young lady is from Coastville. She called me this morning and wanted to know if I can get her approved with $700 down. I told her come in. She works part-time at a dental assistant, something like that. She's got her ID, no license. Told her come and see me. Unfortunately, her ride backed out on her.
And I asked him if I could ride with him to the place that he's going and we could go right after he left me at the crib because he's mad because I called him a... But that's... Why would you end up leaving me?
Oh my gosh.
Now that you laughing, that's not even...
No, it's not funny at all. It's not. It's absolutely not. But you calling him the B word, that was a little funny.
That makes me mad, because come on. And he telling me why you don't just wait till you get a license. If I got a car and what are you talking about?
No license in car shopping. Come on. Get the license sorted out first. That's literally the first step. Again, if you can't handle the basic things, you're not ready for the payments, the insurance, or any of the other responsibilities that come with owning a car. Slow down, do things in the right order, and stop trying to skip to the most expensive part.
Listen, now that I agree with. There's no point in waiting.
There ain't no point in waiting, and even if there was a point, why are you questioning me? I'm an adult. I noticed that. It might be because I'm skinny or because I'm light-skinned or I'm little, but stop trying to little girl me. I don't like...
Me personally, I would say that it's probably not any of those reasons. It might just be because maybe he just wants you to go about it correctly. Not everyone agrees with driving without a license, of course, right? What me and you both do.
But I drive his car without a license. Why I can't get my own?
You know what? That is a great point. Send me those 3 bank statements that you got and let me make it happen for you, okay? How much do you make an hour?
23.
23 an hour?
Yeah, but that ain't... I don't work full time.
Don't worry about that part. If we can get you approved on a car, that'll be another way for you to make a little bit extra money.
For real?
Girl, you got your mobile now. You can do DoorDash or something, of course.
This is one of those times I hope it's not real. but I've known too many people to drive without a license. It's usually to do with fines or not paying child support, which they say they can't afford, but for most, they choose not to pay. I worked with one guy that must have bought 3 project vehicles over the course of a year, but complained all the time he didn't have money to pay his child support. He wasn't able to get back his license until it was paid. It's amazing how irresponsible some people can be.
So when I posted my video about buying a new truck after doing a bankruptcy, some people are saying this and saying that. No, check it out. You could do a bankruptcy, and the same month that you go to court and get it discharged and they send you the paperwork saying it's discharged, you go into a dealership like over here at Gresham Dodge and they'll put you in a vehicle, a brand new vehicle. I originally came in here after my bankruptcy and they got me a $60,000 loan on a pickup truck right after my bankruptcy. So if you want any of these new Jeeps, or you want some of the new Rams that are over there, or that one right there, and you got to do a bankruptcy, do your bankruptcy. It's $1,400.
I had another one of his clips in a video just a few days ago. This just sends the wrong message. I'm really surprised he can't see that. Telling people you can go buy a new vehicle right after a bankruptcy is insane. A new car is the worst move you can make in this situation. The interest rate is going to be horrible. The payment's going to wreck any type of budget you might have. And as always, you'll end up upside down the second you drive off the lot.
You come in here the same month you get your discharge paperwork, finance a brand new vehicle, and drive off the lot and start building your credit. Some people say you have to wait. You don't got to wait. Trust me. And everybody will throw your credit card offers to build your credit, but listen, make sure that you have an income that helps out, because if you don't have a stable income, it might be harder to get you financed. But like I'm saying, bankruptcy is not the end of the world. You know, it happens in life. Come see Gresham Dodge if you want to get into a brand new vehicle after doing a bankruptcy. They'll set you up.
Bankruptcy is supposed to be a reset, a chance to fix your habits and rebuild, not jump straight into another massive loan. If you file bankruptcy and your first move is financing a new car, you didn't learn anything. That's not a fresh start. That's setting yourself up to end up right where you were. That's the exact mindset that gets people into trouble in the first place.
It's a very expensive unit he's trying to buy. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to that, man. So right now, your out-the-door price on this vehicle is going to be $48,052 with 1 cent. What kind of payment are you trying to pay, sir?
Well, I'd like to be about $625, $630.
As far as financing the vehicle, do you know how long you want to finance this particular vehicle? Right now, I got 48 months, 60 months, and 72 months. I could possibly go up to maybe 82, maybe 84 if you're trying to finance a little bit longer to get the payment lower.
I probably need to get it lower. I don't need to finance in the TT&L either.
You're going to pay your own TT&L?
Yep.
Okay.
That should help a lot.
People like this who obsess over getting the lowest possible car payment are missing the whole point. A tiny payment doesn't mean the car is affordable. It just means the loan is stretched out so far you'll be paying for it forever. Dealers love this because it hides the real price. You're not getting a deal. You're just signing up for years of debt so the monthly payments look affordable. If it takes an 8-year loan to squeeze your payments into your budget, the car is too expensive. End of story.
No, most definitely. As far as the cash investment, were you going to be putting any cash investment down today?
No, try not to.
Try not to? Okay.
And you get the payment down, what I'm trying to do.
Roughly, what was your credit score again?
700.
About 700?
A little over.
They're over 700. So you're telling me you're going to pay for your own TT&L, you're going to do $0 down, but the term you said you're open just as long as the payment's low as possible, and you're okay with everything else?
Yep.
Okay, so let me rework these numbers with you paying your own TT&L. I'll go ahead and inform them that that's something that you want to take care of your own, and then I should give you a call back within the next maybe 5 to 10 minutes, okay?
That'd be awesome.
All right. Yes, sir. You're welcome.
Bye.
So this guy is basically asking to pay the highest amount he can for the car. When you stretch the loan to the max, you're not lowering the cost. You're giving the dealer permission to charge you more. A long loan tells them you're only focused on the monthly payment, so they can pile on fees, markups, add-ons, whatever they want. And you might say yes because the number looks small.
So for everybody that thinks I'm lying and this is all for views, my car payment is $1,400 a month. My interest is 10%, like I said in my original video. I have a 84-month term, something like that, I think. And yes, I purchased my car, financed it for $84,000, and I still owe almost $75,000. Like I said, none of that was lies. So as you can see right here, $1,400, $1,437.70 to be exact, every month. Not a lie. And again, amount financed, $84,000. Principal balance, currently $74,000. 10% APR. I don't know why you guys think I would lie about all this. This is all truth. Like, this is my life. This is what happened, what is happening, and what I am done with.
A $1,400 a month car payment. But it gets much worse. So this woman financed a vehicle and she doesn't want to pay for it anymore. She doesn't want a car payment. I can't blame her there. But she realized that after she bought an $84,000 Tahoe. So what is she going to do? Just stop paying for it.
And yes, I could have used the cash that I bought the Audi with to put towards the Tahoe principal and refinanced, but that would have defeated the purpose because then I still would have had a car payment. The whole point was me no longer wanting a car payment at all, like zero. So that is why I bought the Audi in cash. But now y'all can stop coming after me saying that I'm lying about everything, because I'm not lying. Like, there is your proof. This is my real life. And I don't know if you guys have noticed lately, but these are like actual prices of cars nowadays.
She's not done with the car payment. She's just not going to pay for a vehicle she signed for. That's not a smart idea. She's acting like walking away from the payment makes the problem disappear. You don't get to just walk away from a loan because you're tired of making payments. The bank doesn't care how you feel about the bill. They'll take the car, tank your credit, and still come after you for the balance. I'm going to end the video here and ask you to hit that like and subscribe button. Drop a comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.